Welcome to Dad Talks. My name is Tarun, and Dad Talks is powered by Duccini. They are available across all the Centerpoint stores, so please do check them out. We are living in the UAE in a truly unprecedented circumstances. It's time for a big shout out and a big thank you going out to the leadership, the authorities, the civil defense, everyone who is working to make sure that हम हमारी families safe हैं. We know that the priority of the government and the authorities is the safety of people. But here's something which we are going to talk about so that घर में सुकून और शांति रहे. In the studios of City 1016, we've got someone who is extraordinary when it comes to dealing with situations inside of home and inside of your mind. Clinical and educational psychologist Akriti Mahindra. Welcome to the studios.
Thank you, Tarun. Thank you for having me here. This is a very unpredictable situation we are dealing with. And I'm sure that through this podcast, through this message, we can convey to the parents and to the people outside that we are safe and how do we deal with the certain anxiety, what we are going through in the house.
Brilliant. Let's deep dive into it,
Sure.
Akriti. तो इस टाइम पर जैसे आपने बोला अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी है, अनसर्टेनिटी है. भले ही वो एक 41 ईयर्स का फादर हो या 31 ईयर्स का फादर हो या इवन
Absolutely.
यंगर और इवन ओल्डर, सब लोग घबराए हुए हैं इन वन वे और दी
Absolutely.
अदर. बिकॉज हमको मालूम है हम सेफ हैं, बट एक अंदर से डर तो लगता है कि ये हो क्या रहा है, कुछ
Because-
कभी देखा नहीं.
Because that's what the brain works. Our brain works in terms of very predictable situations. When unpredictability comes, the brain starts reacting. And then comes the physiological changes, what we name it as anxiety.
ओके, सो फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस के बारे में बात करें
जी.
तो आपके हिसाब से जब एंजाइटी होती है तो कैसे मालूम चलता है एंजाइटी होती है? व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट साइंस ऑफ एंजाइटी इन अ हाउस होल्ड?
So, सबसे पहले होता है कि जब हम देखते हैं कि एंजाइटी बढ़ रही है, चाहे वो घर पे हो, चाहे वो आपके अंदर हो, इज द फर्स्ट फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंज इज द breathlessness.
ओके,
Then we see the palpitation, sweating, and all of the sudden you'll start snapping on small things. Irritability, कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. और ऐसे हम सोचते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है हमारे अंदर. सब कुछ तो ठीक है, we are safe, we are at home, but actually when we scan our body or scan our thoughts, we'll realize we are reacting a lot in the news, we are reacting a lot what's happening around. So even if we tell ourselves that we are okay, but our physiological changes are definitely not being okay.
ओके. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू किड्स, पहले तो समझते हैं कि जो हम बच्चों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उनका एज ग्रुप क्या है, और अगर वो एंग्शियस हो रहे हैं हमारा रिएक्शन देख के या जो
Absolutely.
बाहर हो रहा है उसको देख के, तो उसमें हम क्या सिम्टम्स देखते हैं एंग्जाइटी के?
देखो, सबसे पहले ना बच्चे जो हमारे आसपास होते हैं ना, व्हेन वी से इन्फेंट, व्हेन वी से टॉडलर, व्हेन वी से ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन, adolescents, teens, they all see through us. So if the adults are calm, the behavior of the child definitely changes. And if we are anxious, everybody will be like, क्या हो गया घर पे, मम्मा ऐसे क्यों दिया कर रही हैं, पापा को क्या हो गया है, why are we are on the news, what is happening, why everybody is looking outside. See, these kind of behavior do get lot of anxiety, because see, we cannot say everything to a child who is 6-year-old or a 7-year-old child.
वो समझेगा भी नहीं
वो
बेचारा.
समझेगा भी नहीं और उनको समझाना भी नहीं चाहिए. बट ये ज़रूरी है कि उनको सर्टन ज़रूर करना है कि देखो, समथिंग इज गोइंग आउट, वी ऑल आर सेफ एंड द एडल्ट्स आउटसाइड आर डीलिंग विद इट. मामा इज़ हियर, पापा इज़ हियर, एंड वी ऑल विल गो थ्रू दिस डे बाय डे.
सो ये सब के सामने अगर हम बच्चों के सामने ये सब बात करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली वी आर गिविंग देम कॉन्फिडेंस.
यस,
बट हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर उसके बाद हम हमारा फोन चेक कर रहे हैं बार बार, खिड़की के
Absolutely.
बाहर देख रहे हैं बार बार, व्हाट्सएप पे लगे हुए हैं दोस्तों के साथ, फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं कि तुमने ये देखा, तुमने वो देखा, तो बच्चे ये सब भी देख रहे हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली. दे स्कैन आवर एनवायरनमेंट एंड बच्चों को ज़रूरी नहीं है न्यूज़ से सब कुछ पता चले. दे टेक द क्लू फ्रॉम द एडल्ट्स, दे टेक द क्लू फ्रॉम द हाउस. सो वी डोंट नीड टू डू अ इमोशनल ओवरलोड ऑफ द हाउस. We need to make sure that the house is emotionally calm. And how we can do that is depend on what are you planning to do for yourself. As an adult, how are you calming yourself? अगर मेरे पास एक बच्चा आ रहा है, या तो चले मैं सोचूं मेरा बच्चा है, ठीक है, वो आ रहा है मेरे पास, मम्मा क्या हो रहा है, आई डोंट नो. Okay, so my 10-year-old came to me and said, Mama, I don't know what's happening, and I sat down with him and I hold his hand like this and I told him, it's fine, baby. We are going to deal with it. Mama is here. Tell me, how are you feeling? what is happening in your body. What are you thinking about it? And he told me, Mama, I'm feeling very shaky. I don't know what's happening. I told him, no problem. I gave him a hug and I told him, how about we take a good bath and come out? And, he took a bath and he came out and he's like, Mama, I'm feeling so relaxed. And, I was in the bathroom with him and I was chit-chatting with him. He was taking shower. He's like, Mama, you stay in the bathroom. And we were, dancing. I had put his favorite music. He was enjoying that bath so much. And when he came out, he said, Mama, I'm feeling so relaxed. See, these are the small things what we can do with our kids to make them calm. It's not always the talking therapy works. Certain movements, certain actions that can calm them down because that's the way they divert. See, kids' mind is very easy to divert. But adults' mind are very difficult to divert because we get fixated on. So to divert them, we have movement breaks. We have some kind of, this is the time when we can enjoy being with them because if you are a working parent, then it will become very difficult for you to spend time with your kids.
And
so
now you're
this
getting that time.
is the time when you can be with them because school is offline. Everybody is at home.
Yeah.
So this means that the quality time you can spend with your family is amazing. Baking you can do, gardening you can do so many other group
Activities.
Yes,
yeah.
of course.
And what a brilliant change in perception.
Absolutely.
You just approach your vantage point on this और आप activities involve कर दो तो आपको भी मजा आएगा, बच्चों को भी मजा आएगा. And
Yeah.
while instead of, तू TV देख लो जाके मैं दोस्तों से बात कर रहा हूँ. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
I'll give you a PlayStation, you do this, I'm gonna go and talk to my friends. This is that time. It's the most precious time. You're so right. And well done on that.
Yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much
you.
because जो भी ये देख रहे हैं इस टाइम पर
Absolutely.
वो realize करेंगे कि this is gold. This is a great opportunity and like every inconvenience is an opportunity. It is your opportunity. Now let's talk about adults.
Yes.
जो आपने fixated वाली बात करी आकृति. Everyone, as I said, is trying to deal with it in their own way.
Absolutely.
If there are top 3 ways, one by one, you can tell me for adults to find their sanity in this time who do not have kids and who have kids, what would that be?
So number 1 will be scan your body. We often don't do introspection, which is very, very important, Tarun. So when I say introspection, it's like how am I taking up this? So when it comes on us as an adult, see, there are 3 main things what you need to do. Number 1 is the scanning your body. When I say scanning your body, understand what's happening around in your body. Okay? Are you feeling anxious? And when I say anxious, it means that are you snapping with little noise? Is the environment giving you a lot of stress, or you are scrolling a lot on Instagram or on social media, checking news, listening news, whatever you are doing. Okay, if you're doing that, you need to stop. Because what is happening that the more we reflect on these news, the thought process becomes very negative. And to make it positive, it makes a lot of effort, which we are not doing. Correct?
Absolutely.
So even if we call our friends back India or anywhere in the world, they are all talking about how's Dubai doing.
How are you?
सब ठीक
Is
है?
that okay? मैंने
सब
तो
हो
न्यूज़ में
गया?
ये देख लिया. अब क्या हो रहा है?
तो हमारे पास कोई रिलीजिंग पॉजिटिव तो आ ही नहीं रहा है ना, वो नेगेटिव ही आ रहा है ना. तो हाउ डू वी स्टॉप दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टार्ट इफ यू आर ऑन Instagram or if you are on YouTube, so change your algorithm. कपिल शर्मा देख लो, कुछ एक्टिविटी का देख लो जो आप अपने आप के साथ कर सकते हो. डूडलिंग कर लो, मंडाला एक्ट कर लो.
Go out, play sports.
नहीं, बहुत लोग हैं जो यहाँ पर डर रहे हैं, है ना. तो अगर आप वो नहीं कर सकते हो, अपने घर के पास कोई स्विमिंग पूल है वहीं चले जाओ. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू गो टू मॉल, इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू गो एनीवेयर, किसी फ्रेंड के घर चले जाओ जो जहाँ पर ब्रेकआउट
थोड़ी
हो जाए,
मस्ती हो जाए, बातें हो जाए,
Exactly.
थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्शन मिल जाए. like.
Absolutely. Number 2 is doing lot of deep breathing. So I'll tell you a funda of breathing. हम कहते हैं ना ब्रीदिंग करो, तो हम ऐसे ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग. बट ये there is a way to do breathing. We call this as a kind of concentrating, what we say, a breathing which has a lot of concentration, I
Okay.
should say like that. So when we inhale, our brain is getting the signal that everything is relaxed. Like, so when we inhale and exhale, we are giving the signal to the brain.
It actually feels better.
I'll tell you one thing. Imagine yourself in a place where you don't know what's there on the other side of the road. There's a door and there is a road outside, and you don't know what's happening there. Okay, you open the door and you see a big tiger. What will be your reaction?
I'll shut the door immediately.
और ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, क्या
I'll
करोगे?
run in the opposite
कैसे
direction.
करोगे वहाँ? तो बाहर इतना
तो
बड़ा.
फिर खुदकुशी. आप
So
option नहीं.
tell me, what will be your breathing pattern?
Dude, I would panic. I won't be able to breathe properly. I would be in a yeah.
So-
Obviously, I'll run out of breath.
Okay. And now imagine you open the door again and you see a beautiful garden, miracle garden there. How will you react and what will be your breathing pattern?
And I'll take a long, deep breath. I'll see the grass. I'll just be at the calmest state of mind.
Okay. So breathing pattern reacts our brain reaction. So when we see a danger, we fear or we say, let's run. Right?
Yeah.
So it is the reaction of the breathing pattern goes to our brain and the signal reacts.
It's so basic.
Exactly.
So basic.
when we inhale and exhale, the reaction what we're giving to the brain is you need to calm and everything is calm. And that's the reason for the kids also we teach lot of box breathing. We do lot of deep breathings. We do a breathing pattern, sometimes also within adults. I do kind of a breathing where you're relaxing, you're sitting down or whatever comfortable position you are in. And you imagine yourself being at the most beautiful place and then you inhale and exhale. And I'm telling you, this is just a 5 minutes exercise. The feeling what you'll get is so calm. You don't need to go to any place for this. Just sit down
be
at your
home,
place.
Go in the best, happiest
Even
place
in your car,
head.
if you are not driving, you can do that. Because anxiety doesn't come only with this situation. Anxiety can come anywhere.
Anywhere. With anything, absolutely.
Yep.
It could be triggering by, something so small and something as big as this.
Absolutely. And number 3.
Yeah.
Number 3 is that you find your own peace. If I ask you, what is your peace?
So right now, at this moment, I have 2 things that I'm focusing on.
Yeah.
Number 1, I'm a civilian. I cannot control this. And I've
Absolutely.
surrendered the control. Because me overthinking, me trying to, get to scenarios in my head, मुझे उससे कुछ नहीं मिलना इस टाइम पे. सिवाय स्ट्रेस के, एंग्जाइटी के कि कल ये हो जाएगा, कल ये मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. तो मैंने एक तो वो छोड़ दिया. दूसरा इज माई डॉटर. The moment I go home, I hug her, she's saying papa, 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 and she's smiling.
Absolutely.
That is my safest and the best place in the world. So ये 2 चीज़ों के ऊपर मैं टिका हुआ हूँ आज. और मुझे मालूम है कि when I'm saying कि मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, मैंने कंट्रोल यहाँ की अथॉरिटीज और गवर्नमेंट को दे दी है.
Absolutely.
And they are doing their best.
So when I say that peace, this is what I meant. Like find your own peace. Because things are in your control, things that are not in your control. And you know what? Actually, there's a very good activity what we adults can do. And I have done this with my younger one as well and with the older one as well. So I made them write down two things, okay? Things they are in control and things they are not in control.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. And I did myself. Because, again, it is all about your own sanity as well.
Absolutely.
So I wrote down all the things which are in my control and which are not in my control. And I feel like, oh, there are a lot of things in my control. Let me just do that way.
Yeah.
So this is the way we deal by this uncertainty around us.
Okay, so let's completely recap it in a very short way. When it comes to top 3 things that we do when it comes to anxiety, number 1, in one line,
Deep breathing.
deep breathing.
Yeah.
Number 2,
Ask yourself, how are you feeling? Once you know, you'll be able to label your emotions. You'll be able to deal with it better.
and number 3,
Is look for opportunities where you can explore your peace, explore your lightness, because these are the things we don't do that when we are busy. So maybe I love doing baking and I don't get time. This is the time when you can do that. When you know that there are things which you cannot do, right now is the time when you look for the things you can do at home.
and just enjoy doing that.
Just enjoy. Maybe gardening, maybe cleaning your cupboard. Maybe there must be piles of papers you want to clear, piles of things you want to clear.
Just do that
it.
activity,
Yeah.
basically. Okay, now let's move on to another aspect of it. We were talking about triggers.
Yeah.
There is hardly any sound pollution in the UAE right now because everyone is indoors. Most of them are working from home. few of them have come out, like
Yeah.
the entire ARN is the Salesforce, our programming team, everyone is here, news department is here. But जो घर पे बैठे हैं उनको जेट्स की आवाज आ रही है, ठीक है. When it comes to the interception, उसकी आवाज आ रही है. Those are major triggers.
Absolutely.
उस टाइम पर बड़े और बच्चे ये कैसे डील कर सकते हैं इनसे?
देखिए जब एंजाइटी आती है ना तो वो खाली हमारे अंदर से नहीं आती है ना, वो आती है बहुत जगह से, इन्वायरमेंट से भी इफेक्ट होके आती है. व्हेन वी कॉल इट एज सेंसरी ओवरलोड, वेदर इट्स लाइट, म्यूजिक, साउंड्स, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं. देखिए जब ऊपर से जेट जा रहा है, सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज अ स्केरी थिंग, राइट? बट इफ आई टेल माई सेल्फ दैट इट्स जस्ट दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग अस एंड दे आर जस्ट लुकिंग ओवर दैट एवरीथिंग इज ओके, you know, that change our perspective of jets going up. At least, you know, how are we safe? हमें लगता है ना कोई ऊपर है, भगवान है ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं, और हम safe है, correct?
Yeah.
So if I ask you, if I tell you that how do you feel when there are uncertainty, and you say you might say that ऊपर वाला है ना, सब
देख
देखेगा.
लेगा.
तो जब ऊपर वाला है तो फिर jets are going, so it should seems normal, right? But वो it seem very difficult because jet seems like अरे अब क्या होगा? So how do we deal with it at home is we can put small kind of, you know, environment where we are listening music, we are indulging ourselves in an activity that involves a lot of concentration, like for example Lego building, for example coloring, and we put small, you know, kind of maybe, you know, very soft music which goes into like theta music. There's a waves going on, and then you are indulging in. And I'm telling you, when we listen music and do our work, our brain function very nicely. So
I do that every day. So listening to music is something which
it's
is a part of my
very
life. I'm so
nicely.
grateful to do it.
और हम सबसे ज्यादा अपने बच्चों के साथ खेल सकते हैं. जब हम इन्वॉल्व होते हैं ना प्ले में, तो हमें ऊपर से जो आवाजें जा रही है और बाहर जो आवाजें जा रही है, हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होते, क्योंकि हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहे, बच्चे डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं हो रहे.
और we are focused on something so beautiful.
Absolutely.
Now, Akriti, ये बात हो गई from a dad's point of view and from a mom's point of view.
Absolutely.
We live in families.
Yep.
We have friends around. Now, दुबई एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग 1 साल पहले आए हैं, 6 महीने पहले आए, 4 साल पहले आए, 3 साल पहले आए, और उनके कॉलीग्स हैं, शायद दोस्त नहीं है. वो अकेले रहते हैं, शायद अपने पेट्स के साथ, शायद उनके घर पे पेट्स भी नहीं है.
Absolutely.
इस सिनेरियो में जिनके घर से बार बार फोन आ रहा है कि हमने न्यूज़ पे ये देख लिया, जिनके घर वाले फ्रेंड्स मैसेज कर रहे हैं, तो ठीक है ना. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि मैं बीमार नहीं था, मुझे पूछ पूछ के लोगों ने बीमार कर दिया. तो उन सिंगल लोगों के लिए जो अकेले भी हैं और अकेलापन फील भी कर रहे हैं और उसके ऊपर ये सब से गुजर रहे हैं, उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस होगी?
देखिए सबसे पहले होता है हमारे ना सोशल स्किल्स को बढ़ाना होता है इधर. चाहे अगर हम इंट्रोवर्ट हैं और हम किसी से मिलना नहीं चाहते, बिकॉज देर आर लॉट ऑफ एडल्ट्स हु डजंट वांट टू मीट एनीबडी राइट नाउ, एंड आई नो फ्यू ऑफ देम. तो हम क्या करते हैं ऐसे माहौल में ना, हम सोशल स्किल्स को थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि गो एंड मीट योर फ्रेंड्स.
मेक एन
या ऑफ कोर्स,
बोलो भाई मुझे अकेलापन लग रहा है, मैं आ रहा हूँ.
देखिए क्या होता है कि ना कभी कभी एक्सेप्टेंस बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. अगर आप एक्सेप्ट करोगे कि नहीं, आई एम फीलिंग अलोन एंड आई रियली वांट टू गो एंड मीट पीपल, दैट विल बी अ वेरी बिग स्टेप एंड द फर्स्ट स्टेप फॉर यू,
बिकॉज यू आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ डिनायल.
हाँ जी. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोविड टाइम है कि हम नीचे भी नहीं जा सकते, हम बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते. एडवाइस टू दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु फील वेरी लोनली एंड अलोन
and anxious at the same time.
You should go down, go for a walk. You'll meet so many people. Even if you go to the garden, if you'll go to a play area, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं वहाँ पर सोसाइटी के नीचे, तो आप जाएं. अगर आप वहाँ खड़े भी हो जाएंगे, you will see the happiness the kids are getting when they are out of their house. So the most important is to go out and feel the normalcy. अगर आप घर पे रहेंगे और eventually आप टीवी देख रहे हैं, eventually आप प्ले स्टेशन खेल रहे हैं, या आप अपने फ़ोन पे हैं, तो you're overwhelming your सेंसरी ओवरलोड.
And you're stagnated, so dopamine आ ही नहीं रहा कहीं से भी.
और आप ओवरवेल्म्ड हो रहे हो, आप सेंसरी ओवरलोड हो रहे हो, तो जितना आप ओवरलोड होगे एंजाइटी और बढ़ेगी, स्लीप नहीं होगा, एपिटाइट में प्रॉब्लम आएगी. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है स्लीप. यू आर एंशियस बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप. अगर हम ये थॉट से सो रहे हैं कि क्या होगा, सब कुछ ठीक होगा, अगर सो गए तो कुछ हो जाएगा, तो आप हमेशा एंशियस रहोगे.
Yeah, I think that is a very normal thought that everyone is getting
Yes.
right now.
So in the middle of the night when you get a
bang sound
or
the
an
alarm on the
alarm,
phone. Yeah.
तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है साइलेंट पे करो फोन. सोना है तो स्लीप म्यूजिक करके करो, या इफ़ यू आर you want to go with your shabad or anything what you want to listen as a mantra, listen to that and sleep, and you'll feel better. And most importantly, focus on your diet as well. So diet is also very important when it comes on anxiety. Diet is also very important when it comes on the thoughts. बिकॉज अगर आपने खाना नहीं खाया होगा, आप ऑलरेडी एंग्री हैं, आप ऑलरेडी स्ट्रेस्ड हैं, तो वो हैंग्री वाला सिचुएशन आ जाएगा. तो
please drink a lot of water as well. I think it really helps drinking water.
Absolutely. And exercise. You know, this is a time when I see a lot of parents complaining that हम लोग exercise के लिए नहीं जा पाते हैं, gym नहीं जा सकते. This is the time when you can do a simple.
And you're right, it's not COVID.
Absolutely.
Like, you're allowed to be around people.
Absolutely. Go for a walk. जंपिंग जैक्स कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो घर पे.
बट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, मैं आपसे ना एक और बात कहूँगा. आई थिंक बिकॉज आप इतने लोगों से डील करते हैं डे इन एंड डे आउट, यू आर वर्किंग इन 3 clinics. डू यू थिंक दैट पीपल आर ऑल्सो रीलिविंग द कोविड ट्रॉमा एट दिस टाइम?
आवर ब्रेन वायर्स लाइक दैट. जैसे ही सैटरडे हुआ, एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड गोइंग बैक होम. इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर हो गया कि चलो घर में बैठना है, बाहर नहीं निकलो.
एंड दे डिड नॉट गेट आउट.
Yes.
And they did not call people home.
Yes. But this is not COVID time.
That's what I'm saying, because मैं आपको मेरा एग्जाम्पल बता रहा हूँ. सैटरडे हुआ, संडे, मंडे, ये तीनों दिन ना हमने घर पे लोगों को बुलाया. जो लोग मुझे आने के लिए बोल रहे थे वो आए. कल रात को मेरी हिम्मत हुई है कि मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स को घर पे बुला रहा हूँ. आई एम कमिंग टू वर्क, आई एम डूइंग माई वर्क. बट जो आप वायरिंग की बात कर रहे हो ना, because COVID was a long stretch for us. And when my friends came over last night, dude, I felt so normal.
Yes.
And everyone who's listening, make that happen or go out yourself. It's very powerful.
Like I said, wiring, people have started stocking grocery.
Yeah, hoarding and, oh my God.
I mean, this is not required because we are in a situation which is under control.
Yeah.
And if, certain things are stopped, this is for the safety of people around us.
Yeah.
Yes, we need to be safe. But that doesn't mean that we will stop living our life. Because going out will change the perspective of living the way we are living in the house right now.
The word normalcy that you mentioned.
Yes. तो वो क्या होता है ना, वो जेल वाली फीलिंग नहीं आएगी कि हम कुछ ही नहीं कर सकते. आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते? आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो. देखिए, हर चीज़ ना थॉट्स पे डिपेंड करती है, तरुण. If you're going to think negative, it reflects on your behavior in the environment. If you are saying, नहीं पता नहीं क्या होगा, I don't know what I'll do, कुछ हो गया तो कुछ तो कभी भी हो सकता है. है ना? तो we anyways live in uncertainty in certain point of our life. If you're going to think about it, then we are never going to live normally. तो इस situation पे जैसा है उसके साथ चलो. जितनी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं उसके साथ चलो. रिस्ट्रिक्शंस खुद मत बनाओ. ये आपकी खुद रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है कि हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते.
जबकि गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसा बोला ही नहीं. You can go out, but be careful and be cautious. Yeah.
आप थोड़ी देर के लिए बाहर जाओ. बच्चों को थोड़ा सा पार्क में लेके चले जाओ. एक्चुअली पार्क ले जाओ, मॉल ले जाओ. ओके, मॉल नहीं जाना चाहते आप, एटलीस्ट गो फॉर अ नाइस वॉक बिकॉज वेदर इज स्टिल सो गुड.
Now moving on to a completely different segment and perhaps the last segment of this podcast. This is about 2 things. We'll do one by one.
Okay.
A lot of, people living here are single parents.
Yes.
And, sometimes they are men, sometimes they are women.
Yeah.
Sometimes, they have taken the responsibility of the child. They are helping them grow old, grow up. They're giving them the best, facilities or whatever they can in their capacity. Is time per how can single parents deal with this? And number 2 is, भले 2 पेरेंट हों या 1 पेरेंट हों, बट अगर बच्चों में ऑटिज्म स्पेक्ट्रम डिसऑर्डर है या डाउन सिंड्रोम है, जो ऑलरेडी बहुत सेंसिटिव है, वो इस टाइम पर कैसे डील कर सकते हैं? तो विल गो वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट विल गो फॉर सिंगल पेरेंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
सो व्हेन वी से सिंगल पेरेंट, इट्स लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली टेकिंग ईच अदर्स इमोशंस. अगर बच्चा मम्मी को देख रहा है या डैडी को देख रहा है और वो एंशियस हैं कि अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो क्या होगा, तो कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा इसका, है ना? तो वो एंजाइटी वाली फीलिंग विल डेफिनेटली कम ऑन द चाइल्ड. चाइल्ड माइट फील द सेम थिंग. व्हाट इफ समथिंग हैपन्स टू माई मॉम, व्हाट विल हैपन टू मी? सो यहाँ पर चाहिए होता है एश्योरिटी. वी गिव दैट कामिंग बिहेवियर एंड कामिंग attitude towards the situation.
And how do you get there as a parent?
So we need to be very sure when we don't say like, don't worry, everything is okay.
And say it out loud.
But the child knows that everything is not okay. There is something going on. There is a way we can deal with that by just simply saying, you know, I know things are going out somewhere. The situation here is that, you know, when we see a single parent, okay, with the child, the emotional baggage goes along with it.
Yeah.
Okay, because the child might say that कुछ हो गया मम्मा को तो मेरा क्या होगा, और मम्मी को कुछ हो गया, मम्मी सोचेगी कि बच्चे को कुछ हो गया तो मेरा क्या होगा, है ना. तो इस सिचुएशन में ना सबसे पहले ये नहीं बोलना कि डोंट वरी आई एम हियर.
That is the triggering thing.
Exactly.
हाँ कि मैं अगर मम्मी I get you what you're saying.
Yeah, right. So we are going to say, don't worry, we are here.
Instead of I'm here.
Yes.
We are here.
So because that makes that we are together.
Yeah.
Okay. And secondly, when we say, don't worry, nothing is happening, but the child understands there is something happening. So we can't, you know, nullify that feeling. So we need to, you know,
Address that, discuss
change
it.
our tone, the speech when we say, by saying that there is something going out, but we will take this day by day. We all are here and we are going to handle things the way it is. But can you tell me, how are you feeling? What are you feeling? Is there something you need to talk to me? Because this will give a very good validation to the child that my mother is understanding and she is going to deal with it if the situation comes in. And सबसे पहले बहुत ज़रूरी होता है बच्चे के इमोशंस को समझना. अगर आपको वही नहीं पता तो आप डील क्या करोगे?
So communication is the key.
Behavior is also one of the things what we need to see, because behavior gives the communication. हमें ना देखो, हमें परफेक्ट पेरेंट नहीं बनना. हमें बच्चों को वो एडल्ट देना है उसके साथ जो वो रीअश्योरेंस दे कि जो हो रहा है ना वो सेटल हो जाएगा. जैसे हम लोग कितने काम है ना, क्योंकि हमें पता है गवर्नमेंट इज देयर एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी सॉर्टेड आउट, राइट. बट बच्चे को तो नहीं पता ना गवर्नमेंट का क्या है. हम नहीं समझा सकते 6 साल के 7 साल के बच्चे को दिस इज यू नो हाउ गवर्नमेंट इज. सो उसके लिए हम गवर्नमेंट है, तो हमें कैसे समझाना है उनको कि ये अश्योरेंस देनी है. तो दिस इज द वे वी गिव द अश्योरेंस दैट थिंग्स गोइंग टू हैपन वेरी सून, बट वी नीड टू गिव टाइम.
And you know, I loved that bit. I think it's very powerful.
Yes.
जब आकृति ने बोला कि say we instead of I. And the moment you said that, I think it has so much power. Even like in families which are normal, even like in families which has both parents, it's quite powerful. So we is the word to go for. And now we will move on to the side of this podcast where we are discussing anxiety situations at home, especially if you have kids with Down syndrome or autism spectrum.
So when we talk about neurodivergent kids, the most important thing is the routine. So as you know that neurodivergent kids have a lot of routines and their life is very predictable. Their routine is very predictable.
Does it thrive on routine basically?
Yes. So we'll keep the predictability, their therapy time, their food time, their play time. When I say therapy, if the clinic is open, yes. If the clinic is not working, they can do the same thing what they are doing in the clinic, so the child is aware that something is happening, but I do the same thing in the clinic or the center. Okay? Then the most important is that, again, the emotional anxiety of the adult should be very calm. There should be no shouting in the house. The calmness should be maintained, because when we adults shout, scream, the environment triggers them a lot,
Okay.
because we are anxious and we don't know what's happening. Okay? We are snapping with somebody else, to our nanny, to whatever we are doing, right? We have work, but we have to take care of certain things as well. So we get irritable in the house. So what eventually we are snapping,
Yeah.
right? So they will take that and say that, oh my God, what's happening? There is something wrong with mama. Mama never shouts like that. So they take
That will
a
trigger
lot from the
anxiety in
cues.
them as well, yeah.
Number 3, sensory overload. Don't overload them with lot of sensory information in the environment. Loud noise, light, music. Let them wear what they like to wear, not specifically tell them to wear what they don't want to wear. Because, a lot of sensory triggers the anxiety. because we all are at home, we all are doing our own work. So something which is very unusual for them, because this happens only on Sunday, not on Monday, Tuesday,
yeah.
right? So why mama is doing this? कुछ ऐसा क्यों अलग हो रहा है हमारे साथ, है ना? तो ये फीलिंग बहुत जल्दी आएगी. और पता है सबसे ज़्यादा न्यूरोडाइवर्जेंट किड्स को बहुत जल्दी क्यूज मिल जाते हैं. तो हमें बहुत सोच समझ के उनके इन्वायरमेंट में रहना है.
Okay.
हमको ये समझना है कि उनके साथ साथ हमें भी काम बहुत होना ज़रूरी है. और हम कैसे कर सकते हैं उनको काम, जब हम काम हैं. सो मेक श्योर दैट सेंस देयर योर इन्वायरमेंट इज़ नॉट ओवरलोडेड. ये नहीं कि हम अपनी एंजाइटी को कम करने के लिए हम इतनी तेज़ आवाज़ें सुन रहे हैं, सॉन्ग सुन रहे हैं, न्यूज़ सुन रहे हैं. क्योंकि इफ़ यू लिव विद लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द हाउस, बट देन वी हैव टू बी वेरी श्योर कि हम कोई न्यूज़ इतनी ज़ोर से नहीं सुने, इंस्टाग्राम ज़ोर से नहीं सुने. तो ये सब चीज़ें बहुत कंट्रोल में रखनी है हमें.
Okay. Now we'll conclude this podcast by talking about 3 important techniques for parents, for single, people who are here living in Dubai, or friends, anyone that can ground them, that can not, take away their sanity. In concise, 3 things that they can do. Like for example, आप box breathing technique बता रहे थे.
जी.
तो उस टाइप की कौन सी 3 चीजें हैं जो किसी भी सिचुएशन में कर सकते हैं, गाड़ी में बैठे बैठे भी, जैसे आपने बोला?
ठीक है. सबसे पहले तो मैं बोलूँगी, डोंट लिसन टू एनी न्यूज़. देखिए,
न्यूज़ देखना बंद करो, इंस्टाग्राम बंद करो.
अगर आपको अपनी जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, एक बार देख लिया क्या अपडेट है, बस. अपडेट हमें मिल जाएगी, ज़रूरी नहीं है हमें सबसे फ़ोन करके बात करनी है उस बारे में.
ठीक है.
Go and meet your friends outside. Call them over. But make sure that nobody is discussing anything related to this. And we are adults. We can do that. हमें जो चीज़ नहीं बात करनी है, हम सीधा बोल सकते हैं, please, I'm not comfortable. I don't want to talk about it. Correct? Number 3, exercise. This is very, very important. जो आप कहीं भी कभी भी कर सकते हो. हमें जिम जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
घर पे ही पुशअप मार लो, स्क्वाट्स मार लो.
बच्चों को इन्वॉल्व करो. क्योंकि सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि इस सिचुएशन में व्हेन यू फील, अगेन, नॉर्मलसी इज व्हेन वी आर डूइंग थिंग्स व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. नंबर 4, आई विल से एड ऑन डीप ब्रीदिंग. Again, I'm focusing on that because it is very, very important. There's a method, what we call it as mindfulness, is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding method.
There is this one technique that Akriti is going to talk about, which is called a grounding method.
Yes.
Or grounding technique.
Grounding technique.
What exactly it is and how does it help?
So it is generally a mindfulness technique. We say it like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
So 5 things you can see. You have to look around, what are the 5 things you can see. 4 things you can touch, anything around you. Okay. 3 things you can hear. What are you hearing right now? 2 things what you can smell. Anything. Maybe a perfume, maybe just imagine you're smelling. And 1 thing is what you can taste. So this will ground us. Okay, we are conscious. Because sometime in this situation, we become subconscious. And we are always in our zoning thoughts and we are thinking about it. We are not present today,
And
right
it brings
now.
you back.
Yes.
What a wonderful technique. A must do whenever you are out of it. I think it brings you back. I was just doing that while
Absolutely.
you were telling me. And it's very powerful. Thank you so much for
Thank
taking
you.
your time out and coming down. And I'm
you.
pretty sure that after looking at this podcast, a lot of people would have learned a few things. And I hope they take away the best, what works for them in their own
Absolutely.
personal life. Now, I've got this small little thing from our friends at Duccini.
Thank you.
The That Talks podcast is sponsored by them.
Thank
so
you.
thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you so
down.
much. Thank you.
Check out Akriti's Instagram handle. You'll find all the details there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.